Hello everyone, welcome back to another camera review. Today in this video, I like to share you guys OnePlus 13 camera test after 6 months. I am also making this smartphone long time for review and also gaming review. Video link also available in the video description and the I button, check it out. The smartphone comes with a triple camera setup, 50 megapixel main sensor, 50 megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and 120x digital zoom and 50 megapixel ultra wide and 32 megapixel single selfie camera. The smartphone main camera you can record highest 8K 30fps video and you also record 4K 30 and 60fps video. 1080p you can record 30, 60, 120fps, 240fps and 480p slow-mo video with EIS. Now I am recording 4K 60fps video, so let me know in the comment what you think about the smartphone video quality. Now let's talk about the camera quality. Daylight you can take a good photo with a lot of details. All the image color correction, dynamic range and sharpness are very good, and as you can see that the color are slightly boosted, so this picture look not bad. So let me know in the comment what do you think about the OnePlus 13 daylight picture quality. Alright, now let's talk about the 50 megapixel ultra wide picture quality. Yeah, 50 megapixel ultra wide also take a good photo. As you can see that the picture quality are very similar as main camera. All the images have a lot of details and also very colorful. And this is low light and night ultra wide picture quality. Night ultra wide picture quality are very decent, not as much as good like a daylight, but it's decent. Now talk about the portrait pictures. The phone comes with 1x, 2x and 3x portrait mode. Try to click a photo with a 3x portrait to get a better portrait pictures. And as you can see that the portrait pictures are awesome. So let me know in the comment what do you think about this smartphone portrait pictures. And this is night portrait pictures. Yeah, you also take a good night portrait with your OnePlus 13. Now moving to night photography. Night photography experience also very good. The 50 megapixel main sensor take a awesome pictures at night. If you have a good lighting condition, you can take a good photo with your OnePlus 13 at night. And as you can see that we are also take a good pictures. All the image color correction and sharpness are very good and is not close to natural. All time OnePlus 13 give you slightly boosted pictures. So sometimes I don't like this smartphone picture quality, but sometimes I like it. So let me know in the comment what do you think about the OnePlus 13 camera quality. Okay, that's all about our OnePlus 13 camera review. If you found this video informative, make sure to subscribe and press the bell icon, and I will be see you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.